Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use NotebookLM to create videos with just one simple click. Okay, so if you've not used NotebookLM before, you can access it by coming to notebooklm.google.com and it will bring you over here. Of course, you have to log in with your username and password for Google, or you can just go ahead and log in with your Google option, Google account. So once you log in, you'll be brought in over here. Of course, you can see recent notebooks that I have created quite some time. This is a tool I use most of the time. So I found this little feature very interesting. So you have two ways to create new notebooks. For example, the first, you can create a new notebook from here or from here directly. So once you go on and say create new notebook, just click. You'll be prompted with this option. You have the option to upload your sources. You can go ahead and upload your sources directly from your drive, from your computer, and then you can do that from your Google Drive, from your website, or from a YouTube video, or sometimes you can have copy text that you can just quickly paste in and you start your content creation, or you start chatting with the AI. So let's say this time I want to discover sources, and by discover sources, it means you can give a prompt and the AI is going to go online to find out about some sources and then give you the sources, and then you can go ahead and generate your content, and in this case generate or create your own video from that content. So let's say we'll start by giving a simple question like, so let's say the future of research in Nigeria with the coming of the AI tools. So here you can specify, you can leave it as web search, and then if we can keep it as fast search or deep research. Okay, so let's go with the default, and then let's just hit on enter on this, and let's see what this is going to come up with. And as you can see, it is able to fish out about 7 different sources that you can have access to. Fast research completed, you can view the sources, or you can decide to import all of them. Now I want to go on and import all of them. So these are the selected sources, and it's going to read from all of these sources and then give me a quick summary while we can start our chat directly. Alright, and as you can see, it has literally uploaded all the sources except some few ones that may have 1 or 2 issues, which you can try again to have them uploaded. But generally, you can see a summary from about 10 sources of what it has, and as read from the topic, you can go ahead and ask in follow-up questions, maybe ask direct questions, chat with it. So what can we say about the major takeaway from these sources? Okay, for example, this could be a direct question that you can ask the AI, and it's going to go through specifically these sources that it has found and then provide answers to this that you can directly use. So these are the key takeaways. The following key themes represent the core insights across the sources. So these are these 1, 2, 3, 4. It gave us about 5 different takeaways that you can take a look, and in each case you'll be able to see the source where it picked all of the different sources. Okay, so this is wonderful. Now to the right, you'll be able to have access to video overview of these sources that it has generated. You can have just one click and this is going to go on and create a video for you, or you can click on this pencil sign. You can have an explainer video directly, or you can have a video overview to help you quickly grasp core ideas from the sources. So let's say you can have direct explainer video, a structured comprehensive overview that connects the dots within your sources. But I want us to have something like this. You can choose the language of your choice and then overview, or choose your visual style. What kind of style do you want? You can choose from across the available ones. Let's say we'll go with something like this, and then down here you can what should the AI focus on. For example, you can give your own prompt directly, focus on and the key takeaways from the sources, how these can be of benefits to students and researchers. Okay, so just say the this one gives you a lot of control as regards what the AI should focus on during the video creation. So let's go ahead and say generate to this, and let's give it some seconds. In this case, it might take some minutes to be able to generate a complete video for you. So I'm going to just get back to this and then play the video at the end of this. And as you can see, the video had been generated. So let's click to have a preview. All right, so Nigeria's AI revolution.
So, Nigeria is in the middle of an AI revolution. What does this mean for its students and researchers? First, let's talk scale. AI could add, get this, nearly $16 trillion to the global economy. And Nigeria is building its AI future from the ground up to grab a piece of that pie. And it's not just talk. AI is already making a huge impact in areas like farming and energy. But, building this future isn't easy.
I think you can get the message. The clarity is there, the voiceover is there, and
Already help.
entire message is very, very clear and very interesting. So you can go ahead, depending on the content, the kind of video you're trying to create, you can go ahead, try this and follow it through. One thing you should know is that you can share this directly with your co-workers. Okay, so you can enable in a welcome note, so you can give access to whatever. Anyone with this link can be an editor or something. Then you can copy the link to the video overview, and we can save this. Whoever has this link can have access to this. Okay, so this is it. And alternatively, you can come here also and just click and to download the video. It's very, very easy and very, very fast. So please go ahead and explore and see how you can do. This is the download. It is just going to download it in a matter of seconds. Explore this and see to what use, to what advantage is going to serve in your own content creation journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.